And welcome back to my channel. So again, we're gonna have to pull again some another Pokemon card. So but I think this will be uh, the first to the second last pulling of Pokemon cards, since their Pokemon cards when I bought it is still the same. So it I think it is so redundant, right? So but yes, I just have to stop. Okay, it's because it is so redundant, and then it goes and go on, and then yes, that's right, it is so redundant, so that's why I have to stop. I have to stop buying some Pokemon cards. So okay, and but I am still searching for some new Pokemon cards that it is not redundant, so that I can make another Pokemon cards here in my channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's gonna start pulling some Pokemon cards. Okay, so this is the first of the two. So I have some last two mini booster box. Okay, so let's go, gonna start up. Okay, so here it goes, guys. This is the first two of the last. Okay, and yeah, a Charizard and a Dodrio. So let's gonna open this up. Okay, just only two. Right, just only two. And then okay, I think the last one will be the holographic. So let's go. Okay, as you can see, it's still the same. Okay, as you can see, and then it's the same. Okay, it's still okay. It's still the same. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and then another one. Yes, it's because this is from the this is from the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars. So there's nothing I expected already that it is still the same. So we got some VMAX again. Okay, that VMAX, and also that Sinisir, and also a Garchomp. Okay, there you go. Forgot that one. Okay, and then okay, here one, and also okay, another one. Okay, that one again, another, and we've got a Rayquaza VMAX. So this is a Rayquaza VMAX. So okay, I think I have this already, right? So and let's go on to the last. So this is just only a couple of minutes. This is just only a couple of minutes that I still, right? So okay, I think this is will be the last. Okay, I think that will be the last. So I still that trainer V-Star, Whimsicott, and Shaymin. We got another VMAX. Okay, another trader, Garchomp. Okay, and then Azera Aura, Lycan Rock VMAX. Okay, another trainers, and the Scorch Cloyster. Okay, another V Astro, and then another. Okay, what is this? Okay, okay. Okay, there you go, have it. So bunch of evolutions, right? So still the same, and still the same Gyarados and a Makuhita. Okay, and also a Trevenant and an Impidimp. So what is this? Okay, oh, in it's as steel type, right? Steel type. So let's go, gonna check that out. What is this steel type? Okay, okay, and whoa, an Edge Slash. Okay, I don't have this one. A rainbow one. Okay, okay, a rainbow one, full art rainbow. Okay, it's a rainbow. As you can see, this is our poll for today. So this is our hottest poll for today, ages slash rainbow full art. Okay, nice one. Okay, eh? uh, I I I don't think, okay, right? So another, okay, there you have it. So not so okay, we got some impediment, Trevenant, Makuhita, a Cloister, Sentis Scorch, Zera Ora, a Garchomp, Cloister again, Sentis Scorch, another Garchomp, and an impediment. So okay, and then another, okay, we've got some, okay, we've got some shaming and whimsicott over here. So there you have it. 4 V Astro, and then add again 4 whimsicott for shaming and 4 whimsicott. So right here, so we have got some Bolton, Brilum, Rillaboom, Gradient, Sharina, another Bolton again, Simisir, Bolton again, Mew, and Alocarion. So okay, and then we've got some V-Bucks, okay, Gyarados, Lycanroc, Gradient, Gengar, Mew again, Gradient again, Rillaboom, and a Chandelure. And this one also, Trainer, Cynthia, okay, and then yes, that's right. And I have to compile this up, so I have to how many Cynthia I have, so for the last couple of days, okay. And then we've got some the evolutions right here. So we got some Sylveon again, Sylveon VMAX, Umbreon VMAX, another Sylveon, Glaceon VMAX, Vaporeon VMAX, Sylveon VMAX, okay, and another, okay. Okay, so and then we've got the last one. So we've got the full art ages slash rainbow holographic, and we've got some the semi holographic Rayquaza V Max right over here. So this is our latest poll for today. Okay, so that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. So this will be a short vlog, okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell always, so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.